Let's unpack the amazing engineering hidden inside just a common spider web.
And get this, a biologist said that about a web made by a spider smaller than your fingertip.
So, how does it do it? Well, the answer is a remarkable step-by-step instinctual process.
You might think it starts with a plan, but actually, the first phase is surprisingly chaotic.
Check this out. These tracks are from the same spider. The beginning is totally different each time. It looks kind of random, right? It's laying and removing threads until a central point starts to form.
But then, out of that chaos, a very structured plan quickly kicks in.
Once this proto-hub is in place, the spider's behavior just locks in. It's completely programmed.
Yep, it's basically following a fixed neural program now, executing each step perfectly.
And just look at that. This whole intricate process, it's all done in about an hour.
Okay, but how do scientists know it's a fixed program? Well, that wasn't easy to figure out.
I mean, imagine trying to track 8 tiny legs in the dark. It's a data nightmare. So they used AI. The AI got so good, it could predict what the spider would do next, just from its posture. So here's the key takeaway. Spiders aren't thinking it through. They're just following an ancient blueprint. And this makes sense thanks to Howler's rule. Basically, tiny animals have proportionally huge brains. But that leads to another question, right? Why build a brand new web every single day? Well, for one thing, a web's stickiness can drop by 60% in just one day. But silk is super expensive to make. Building from scratch daily is tough. So the spider does something brilliant. It just eats the old web. This recycles 80 to 90% of those valuable proteins. Oh, and building at night, that also keeps them safe from daytime predators like birds and wasps. So if a tiny spider has a blueprint this complex, what else is hiding out there in plain sight?